Richard Radke here. Today I'm going to do a review on multiple income funnel and the reason why you should get it. So be sure to watch this video right to the end. First of all, one of the reasons you want to you get so many things with it. Like if you go here and look at that, you get all the links you get, which is basically all the capture pages you get that you can use, and you can use one or as many as you want. I use more than one, depending where I'm sending it. Then it also show, and of course you got all this training that's included. First of all, you get weekly training calls. Then you get marketing system training, which shows you how to do better marketing. There's all these different things here that are all included in it. And then if you go back to some more training, you have the 7-step training. First of all, it gives you 7 lessons. 1, you work on yourself, improve your personality. Then you can shows you how to little stutter here, to get traffic and where to get it and how to follow up and how to do YouTube, how to do Facebook, how to block some time, and then there's more bonuses in there, and that's all included with it. And if you go back into here, it shows you all the leads, all your leads that you get, and they all have emails attached, so you can email them all with more information and your contact information. And of course, the company also emails them to help you promote them. And then you have a leaderboard, shows you who's on the leaderboard. And then you have resources, which is basically follow-up emails that you can use if you want to follow up with people. If you don't, you can use your own. Then you have, if you click on there, it shows you all your businesses. And then there's a bonus income stream, which I also use, which for $1 a day, you get 100 leads. So at the end of the month, you have 3,000 leads, and that only costs you the $30 a month. And I mail them every day, which is all included in that system. So then, if you go back in here, that pretty well covers that. Then, if you do like all those reasons for joining, then you can go to step 1, and there's a video that explains everything, all about it, and how to get started. And if you want to get started, you can get started for, right now it's on for half price, usually $97, but now you can get it for $49, pardon me. And if somebody joins you under that, you make $20. Then there's also the yearly plan available, which is $350. That's the route I went, because you do save some money throughout the year. And if somebody joins you under that, you make $200. Then in step 2 and 3, you can put in your own opportunities, whatever you wish. And if you don't have any, you can use the ones I have. They're each under $10. So that's very reasonable to get into them. And then you have step number 4, which is Traffic Authority. They've been in business for over 10 years, so you get very good leads there. And the cost there depends on how many leads you get, of course. The more leads you get, the lower the price goes. And let's see what, oh yeah, and I'm also going to put my link under the video where Matt will explain it. With that link, he'll explain you the whole opportunity and how everything works, and he does a better job than I do. And it's 21 minutes, and with that same link, you can also join this opportunity. And I'm also going to put my contact information if you want to get a hold of me to get more questions. So and I'm hoping you have a great weekend so far. And I think that's all I'm going to say for today. So talk to you later. Bye for now.